Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're taking a look today at MultiCharts.net, the starter edition of MultiCharts. And what we're going to talk about today is using exit strategies with your orders in the chart trading aspect of MultiCharts. Again, MultiCharts.net is absolutely free for you to download, and you can actually place orders with it as well to either a live account or a simulation account. So let's go ahead and enable chart trading here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the icon. Just show or hide chart trading is what's going to show up here. We have our bar. Now, if I were to get into a position here, so I'm just going to sell market here as an example. You can see that I am in the market here. I am short one contract, but I'm not protected here. I don't have a stop loss or a profit target. Sometimes, as traders, we like to get into a position pretty quickly. In this case, I didn't have bracket orders protecting my position. So, of course, what I could do, like we showed in our last video, is add in limit or stop orders. So, for example, I could add in a buy limit here if I wanted to. And then I would have to manually also place that stop order again. So I just go to that place order option here, and you can see that that will confirm there. And of course I can move these. One disadvantage to doing this, of course, is the time that it takes to do that. So of course it will take some time for you to deploy both that profit target and that stop loss. During which time, even though it's a short amount of time, the market could move quite a bit. The other thing is, if one of these orders gets canceled, the other one is going to stay there. So those are not OCO orders. So what I'm going to show you is actually how to add in an exit strategy to an already existing position. So we'll go ahead, and you can see I am here short in the market here, one contract. I don't have a profit target or a stop loss. If I wanted to add an exit strategy, what I can do is I can actually right mouse click right on our order tab, and you can see that one of the options here is attach exit strategy. So I have a few of these. These are just default exit strategies within MultiCharts, but of course you can customize some and make them your own and have these show up here. So for example, one of these options here is a bracket order. So I'm going to go ahead, submit a bracket order here. It's going to just use the default settings here. Of course you can customize that if you wanted to. Place that strategy. Now I have a profit target and a stop loss. Both of these are movable, so they're not set in stone there. I can move them around. I can adjust them as the market adjusts here. And you can see how kind of convenient that is. Those are both deployed at the same time, so I don't have to place one and then the other. The other thing is these are OCO protected. So if I were to cancel the profit target, the stop loss is going to automatically cancel for us, which is important, just so that we don't accidentally get into a position later. Now you can see that we have other options here. We don't have just the bracket orders. We can actually add in things like break-even strategies, trailing stops, just a stop loss or just a profit target, as well as in a master strategy that may combine several of these at the same time. So you can see that is an option. Now watch, if I add in bracket orders here, I'll place a strategy, and now if I actually press the reverse button here, so that it will switch out my position. But those bracket orders aren't going to come back, so keep that in mind. That's just one of the quirks here that we want to kind of keep in mind. So I'll go ahead and keep this position open here. See, I am long one contract. Now, what if I wanted to not place them after the fact? What if I know that I already want to place bracket orders if I enter into the market? Maybe I'm going to place a limit order, and if that limit order is filled, then I want those bracket orders deployed so that there is no lag time. So we kind of cured a little bit of that. We can deploy those exit strategies and attach them pretty quickly to an already open position. But if we want to do that as soon as it's opened automatically without us having to do it manually, we can do that as well. So there is an option here. If I were to right mouse click here on the chart trading side, there's something that's called switch to full mode. This is actually going to make our chart trading aspect here a little bit bigger. So this little window here, or little kind of dock here, is actually going to add in some exit strategies, and you even have order entry strategies as well. So what this allows us to do is it allows us to pre-deploy those. So that here's that same bracket orders. I can actually auto attach as exit strategy. So if I do that, now if I get into the market, so I'll buy market, you'll see that that profit target and that stop loss are automatically deployed for me, so that I don't have to do that after the fact. I'm automatically protected as soon as I get into a position. That's one of those handy features here, and again, I can move those around. They're not fixed at that same place. I can move them if I want to. And these are OCO as well. If I close those out, or if I close my position, that would still do that. And you'll see it works the same way for the sell side. So I'll go ahead and click sell market. So any orders that I place now, now that I have that attached automatically, are going to be accompanied by that stop loss and profit target. Now OCO also covers if the position is closed, it will cancel out those orders. So you're protected that way too. That's just another way to be able to protect your position, and also to use this chart trading feature within MultiCharts to be able to visualize your trades and submit them pretty quickly, as well as be able to see exactly where your position is in relation to current market price. If you have any questions about MultiCharts.net, the starter edition, please feel free to visit our website at www.optimusfutures.com or give us a call.